Very good morning, student. Yesterday we had discussed government policy changes and their impact on business, in which we had learned LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization, and demonetization also. So there is one extra sorts of impact of demonetization. First, regarding money, because of demonetization, decline in cash transaction nowadays, bank deposits has been increased and increase in financial saving. Second, it impact on private wealth also declined since some high demonetized notes were not returned and real estate prices fell. अपन देख रहे हैं कि ज़मीन वगैरह के रेट्स वगैरह क्या हो गए, गिर गए क्योंकि मार्केट में पैसे वगैरह की कमी हो गई. पब्लिक सेक्टर वेल्थ, पब्लिक सेक्टर की वेल्थ पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ा डिमोनेटाइजेशन का. डिजिटाइजेशन, डिजिटल ट्रांजेक्शन अमंग न्यू यूजर्स थ्रू रुपे कार्ड, भीम ऐप हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज, पेटीएम एंड ऑल, फोन पे, many more app by which we can go with we can done digital transaction. Real estates prices has been declined. Tax collection, rise in income tax collection because of increased disclosure, क्योंकि सबकी जो छुपी हुई इनकम थी वो सामने आ गई, जिससे गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स कलेक्शन में भी फ़ायदा हुआ. सो दैट्स द कंसेप्ट ऑफ और इम्पैक्ट ऑफ डीमोनेटाइजेशन ऑन डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑन डिफरेंट वेरियस कैटेगरीज. नाउ व्हाट इम्पैक्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी चेंजेस ऑन बिजनेस इंडस्ट्रीज. जो 1991 की इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी थी उसे जब बदला गया, जब न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी बनाई गई, तो क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ा बिजनेस और इंडस्ट्री पर. So the policy of LPG of the government has made a significant impact on the working of enterprises in business and industry. The Indian corporate sector has come face to face with several challenges due to government policy changes. These challenges can be explained as follows. First, increasing competition. As a result of liberalization of industrial licensing and entry of foreign firms, competition for Indian firms has increased, especially in service industries like telecommunication, airlines, banking, insurance, etc. So, what initiated with the help of liberalization, it resulted industrial licensing. पहले क्या होता था, हर किसी को इंडस्ट्रियल लाइसेंस नहीं, इंडस्ट्री ओपन करने का लाइसेंस नहीं दिया था, बट ड्यू टू लिबरलाइजेशन in the 1991 new economic policies, so many foreign companies enters into India, and due to that reason, due to those countries, foreign competition for Indian firms has been increased, especially in service industries. More demanding customers. Now things are globalized, competition is also increased. Product quality has been increased, product quality, even variety of product, wider choices are available now in the market. So due to all such reason, customers have today become more demanding because they are well informed. Increased competition in the market gives the customers wider choice. आप सभी को मालूम है, कंपटीशन जितना ज़्यादा होगा, जितना बेहतर होगा, उतनी बेटर क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज हमें मिलेगा. थर्ड पॉइंट इज मार्केट ओरिएंटेशन. मार्केट, अर्लियर फर्म्स यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस फर्स्ट एंड गो टू द मार्केट फॉर सेल लेटर. पहले क्या होता था, फ्यू डिकेड्स बिफोर फ्यू डिकेड्स व्हाट हैपेंड, पहले प्रोड्यूसर प्रोड्यूस करता था, फिर मार्केट में सेल करने जाता था. बट नाउ थिंग्स आर कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. आप पहले प्रोड्यूस करने के पहले प्रोड्यूसर हो, कोई कंपनी हो, पहले कस्टमर के पास जाती है, उससे पूछती है विच फीचर्स वुड यू लाइक टू हैव इन एनी प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, पहले पूछती है कि आपको प्रोडक्ट में क्या पसंद है, हम ये बनाने जा रहे हैं, आपको इनमें क्या क्या फीचर्स चाहिए, आप कैसा प्रोडक्ट चाहते हैं, वो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन पहले गैदर करती है. आफ्टर दैट दे हैड प्रोडक्शन ओरिएंटेड मार्केटिंग ऑपरेशंस. इन अ फास्ट चेंजिंग वर्ल्ड देयर इज अ शिफ्ट टू मार्केट ओरिएंटेशन इन एज मच एज फर्म्स हैव to study and analyze the market first and produce goods accordingly. Rapidly changing technological environment, increased competition forces the firms to develop new ways to survive and grow in the market. New technology gives make it possible to improve machines, process, products and services. Due to rapid changes, एक पुरानी कंपनी के लिए दोज हु आर नॉट यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, ओके, फॉर देम इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव इन द मार्केट, बट to increase competition forces firms helps to for the companies to grow in the market also. New technology improve the process of manufacturing product as well as services. The rapid technological changes environment creates tough challenges before smaller firms. Next point is necessity for change. In a regulated environment of pre-1991 era, the firms could have relatively stable policies and practices. After 1991, the market forces have become turbulent, as a result of which the enterprises have to continuously modify their operation. Sixth point, need for developing human resources. The new market conditions require people with higher competence. Definitely now advanced technology are using, okay, so there is a need of a higher competent and greater commitment from the peoples. So they have to change also their mindset. People have to change, or employee have to change their mindset also towards the change. Seventh point is loss of budgetary support to the public sector. Due to globalization, due to privatization, so many private companies are established, so many international companies are established in our country. So due to all these reasons, central government budgetary support of financing the public sector outlays has declined over the years. कुछ सालों तक पब्लिक सेक्टर का जो बजटरी कंट्रोल था वो क्या हो रहा, बजटरी सपोर्ट डिक्लाइन रहा. The public sector undertakings have realized that in order to survive and grow, they will have to be more efficient and generate their own resources for the purpose. So these few impact of government policy changes on business industries, in which increasing competition, more demanding customers are there now. Market orientation, पहले producers प्रोड्यूस करता था, देन सेल करता था, बट नाउ थिंग्स आर कम्प्लीटली चेंज. फर्स्ट दे रिसर्च इन द मार्केट, दे गेदर द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द कंज्यूमर्स, देन आफ्टर दैट दे विल प्रोड्यूस अकॉर्डिंग टू their needs. Rapidly change in technological environment due to globalization. Now there is no quota system, no tariff system, okay. No import, no specific product importing system. So those who are producers, manufacturers, they buy good technology from the foreign countries and they started production very well. Necessity for change, समय के साथ बदलाव बहुत ज़रूरी है. दैट्स वाई न्यू एरा में आफ्टर 1991 काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस के लिए सारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को तैयार रहना पड़ा और अपनी पुरानी पद्धति को बदलना पड़ा. नीड फॉर डेवलपिंग ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज, नई टेक्नोलॉजी होगी जिसके लिए ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज को ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से उसका नॉलेज होना चाहिए. तो इसलिए काफ़ी सारे लोग अनएम्प्लॉयड भी हुए थे उसमें, ठीक है, लेकिन समय के साथ वापस सबको एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल गया. सो दीज आर द फ्यू इम्पैक्ट्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी चेंजेस on business as well as industry. Now after that there is one more topic. Managerial responses to changes in business environment. What are the managerial responses to changes in the business environment? First, diversification spree. The corporate scene now witnessed a sped diversification. For example, Reliance has diversified into textile, petrochemicals, IT, communication, etc. Due to change in the business environment, Reliance itself diversify their business branches. Reliance diversified into textile, petrochemicals, IT, communication. Okay, now Reliance Fresh is there, now Reliance Store is there, Reliance Mall is there, Reliance Bank is there, many more setups is owned by Reliance. Then second one is joint venture consolidation of multinationals. जो 1991 की न्यू इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी उससे जॉइंट वेंचर अपन ने 11th क्लास में पढ़ा था, दो फर्म आपस में मिलकर एक नई फर्म तैयार करते हैं और एक दूसरे के रिसोर्सेज का यूज़ करते हैं. सो ड्यू टू ग्लोबलाइजेशन मल्टीनेशनल इंटर्स इंडिया अफ्रेश थ्रू न्यू जॉइंट वेंचर्स. लाइक एग्जांपल फोर्ड इंटर्स विथ महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा. सेकेंड, होंडा इंटर्स विथ सेल एंड जनरल मोटर्स इंटर्स विथ हिंदुस्तान मोटर्स. ब्रांड बिल्डिंग एक्सपेंडिचर्स वर एनहांस्ड बाय कंपनीज इन बिल्डिंग ब्रांड्स. एडवर्टीजमेंट वगैरह पे काफ़ी खर्चा किया उन्होंने. ऑफन एमएनसीज हैव इन्वेस्टेड ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑन building such brands such as LG, Samsung, Hyundai, etc. Use of latest technology has become the slogan of the successful companies. The best example is that of cellular phones. Sharply improved compensation levels for special managerial and technical services. The starting salaries for engineering and management graduates have risen significantly. Incentives schemes of various kinds of related to performance are becoming common. Customer focus. There has been increasing attention to customers' needs and their satisfaction. There is a tremendous difference in the nature and quality of products offered to consumers today. Marketing, research, advertising, sales, promotion techniques like BOGOF, buy one get one free. नाउ डेज कस्टमर फोकस है और कस्टमर इतना फोकस है कि कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड हो गया है पूरा मार्केट. ओके, तो कस्टमर फोकस होने के कारण आजकल लाइक उनको अटेंशन देने के लिए प्रमोशन किया जाता है, एडवर्टीजमेंट की जाती है, तरह तरह के इस तरह की चीज़ें की जाती है जिससे कस्टमर उनसे गुड्स वगैरह परचेस करे. तो ड्यू टू चेंज इन बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट ही ये हुआ है. Good company must maintain good public relations or must have good programs etc. have become more significant. So this chapter number 3 we have done, okay, in which we have learned meaning of business environment, then importance and feature also we have learned, business environment. Then after that, dimension, in which 5 dimensions are there. Staple we have learned. Then LPG, government changing policies and their impact on business. LPG we have learned. Then after that, impact on changes, government policies and business and industry. And last is managerial responses toward changes in business environment. So this chapter number 3 is also over. If any query is there, okay, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me with the help of phone calls. You can call me. Okay, if any query is there, or you can message me on Campus Care as well as on my WhatsApp number. Then I'll send you today few exercise or few self-assessment test of chapter number 2. Okay, chapter number 2 assessment test I am sending you. And with their answers also I am sending you. So I hope you all will write down, or all you will do this self assessment at your home. Okay, and those who have done, please share the pictures of your work to me. Got it? Now, so thank you so much. Have a nice day.